Most people get Ring doorbell sharing wrong. They either share their login details or give full access without control. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need to risk your account to let family members access your doorbell. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to share your Ring doorbell with family in 2026, the safe way, the proper settings to use, and how to control who can see what. Let's get straight into it. The Ring doorbell lets you add family members through shared access, so they can view live video, get alerts, and even talk to visitors depending on permissions. Think of someone like Alex who lives in a family home. He wants his wife and brother to see who's at the door, but he doesn't want them changing security settings. That's exactly what shared users are for. Now here's where it gets interesting. Ring does not require password sharing. Instead, it uses user invitations, which keeps your main account secure. First, you open the Ring app and go to the main dashboard. From there, you tap Settings and select Shared Access or Users. Then you invite a family member using their email address. They will receive an invite to download the app and join your device. But here's the problem. Most people skip permission settings. That's where mistakes happen. You can choose what each user can do. Some users can only view live video. Others can receive alerts and communicate through the doorbell. Only the main owner can change device settings, delete recordings, or add new devices. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can also manage multiple Ring devices under the same account. So if you have a front door, back door, and garage camera, you can choose exactly which devices each family member can access. Imagine Jake living in a shared apartment. He adds his roommates as shared users but restricts access to only the front door camera. That way, privacy is maintained while everyone still gets alerts. Another important feature is notification control. Each shared user can customize whether they get alerts for motion, doorbell rings, or both. This prevents unnecessary notifications while still keeping security active. If someone leaves the household, you can instantly remove their access from the app. They immediately lose all viewing permissions without needing to change passwords. So here's the simple takeaway. Never share your Ring login. Always use shared access. It is safer, cleaner, and gives you full control over your home security. If this helped you understand Ring doorbell sharing clearly, like the video, comment if you use Ring at home, and subscribe for more simple tech guides that make smart devices easy to manage.